removing the constraints to the growth of micro, small, and medium enterprises, this sector is indeed the lifeblood of our economy. The sector accounts for more than 80% of all our businesses in Kenya and creates about 75% of the jobs and are key contributors to broad-based inclusive economic growth. But MSMEs face many challenges which reduce their competitiveness and constrain their growth. And as a result, the combination of MSMEs to the country's gross domestic product is currently only at 30%, a figure that could be much higher if we were to realize their full potential. We are therefore putting in place several measures to restart this powerful engine of our economy, and they include increasing access to affordable credit, measures to ensure and to enable MSMEs to access affordable credit, including the recently launched STAWI, and this will provide unsecured credit to MSMEs which, because of their informal nature and lack of collateral securities, had been locked out of the formal credit market. 5 commercial banks in Kenya have set aside 10 billion shillings to be lent to MSMEs at an interest rate of 9% per annum in loan amounts ranging between 30,000 to 250,000 shillings.